Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I decided to film a get ready with me. I am actually going bowling. I'm having like a little family outing, so I decided to film a video for you guys. So yeah, it's just a little get ready with me. So if you would like to see how I got this look, then please keep watching. Okay guys, so to start off this look, I am going to be priming my face with the Smashbox priming water. Then after that dries, I'm going to be using the YSL blurring primer. Then for foundation, I'm using the Hourglass foundation stick in golden tan. Then I'm going to be using my damp beauty blender to blend it out. Since this is a thicker foundation, I feel like it was a bit harder to blend out with my beauty blender. So if you're applying a thicker foundation, and I think just specifically like foundation sticks, you definitely might want to use a brush. It might be easier and a lot faster than a beauty blender. So I'm going to go back in with the same foundation and apply it to some spots where I need some more coverage, and then I'm going to take a Morphe foundation brush and just blend it all together. Then I'm taking my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in medium, and I'm applying that under my eyes and where I normally highlight, and just blending that out. Then I'm taking my Laura Mercier setting powder and I'm just going to apply that under my eyes and let it bake. Then to do my brows, I'm just using a spoolie to brush them. Then I'm going in with my Anastasia pomade and my Anastasia eyebrow brush. I feel like for makeup, my brows take the absolute longest. Then I'm using this L'Oreal Brow Precise. I'm sorry, actually, it's Maybelline, not L'Oreal. But it is the Brow Precise Fiber Volumizer. Then I just went in and dusted off that powder. Now for eyes, I'm using the Modern Renaissance palette by Anastasia, and I'm taking the shade Golden Ochre or Orchard, and I'm applying that in my crease as a transition shade. Then I'm taking the shade Love Letter, and I'm applying that on the outer corner of my eye and along my crease as well. So I am going in with a light hand, and if you want more coverage or like a more deeper color, I usually just start off with a light hand and then I'll add more if you want the color to be more intense. Then to put all over my eyelid, I'm going in with the Carli by Bell Deluxe Edition palette. And I'm using the 4th shade in that palette. And I'm just actually taking my finger to apply it. Then I'm taking that 2nd highlight shade in the same palette and I'm going over that color. Then I'm going in with Red Ochre or Orchard, I believe. And I'm applying that on the outer V of my eye. Then I'm just taking a fluffy brush with no shadow on it and just blending that all out. I absolutely hate when I get foundation on my lips, so I just had to wipe that off real quick. So for eyeliner, I'm using the same as I always do, the L'Oreal Slim Liquid Eyeliner. So I'm taking some translucent powder on my beauty blender and I'm going to apply that under where I placed my wing liner, and that just helps to get rid of any shadow that's below the wing liner, if that makes sense. It just helps take that away without ruining your makeup. So I'm just going to leave that there and let it set. And then for mascara, I'm going to be using the L'Oreal Lash Paradise. Then for lashes, I'm using the Salon Perfect Style 614. It's like the only eyelash I use. I always mention that. They're just my favorite. They're wispy, they're long, they're natural, but they're actually like dramatic at the same time. And the lash band is very, very thin. So it's very flexible and it just fits with your eyes perfectly. Then for lips, I'm using MAC Stripdown. I always do. It's like my favorite lip liner. Then for lipstick, I'm going to be using the Dose of Colors in Cork. And then to soften it up, I'm going in with the Maybelline matte lipstick in Hot Sand. Then for my bottom lash line, I'm just going in with that same shade I used on my eyes, Love Letter. Then I'm applying mascara on my bottom lashes. Then for contour, I'm using the Kat Von D Shade and Light palette, and I'm using that middle brown shade. Then to highlight, I'm using the light pink shade in Carli's palette. I always do my Cupid's bow, the bridge of my nose, my tear ducts, and underneath my brows. Then for blush, I'm using the NARS blush in Gold, I believe. And then setting spray, I'm using the PIXI Glow Mist. Can't believe I still even have some of this left. I think I used it in like my last 3 videos, and I always say what's left of it, and there's like barely anything left. Okay guys, so that is it for this look. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe before you leave so that you get notified every single time that I post. So after you click the red subscribe button at the bottom, there should be like a little bell next to it, and just tap that, so that way you will for sure get notified every single time I post. So yeah, I will see you guys in my next video.